Chainsaw. The chainsaw is revving, go tell Devin. Dude has until 7, papers due yesterday at 11. Fuck heaven, I called Edwin and said to Dice Stephen, the dough is running late. These fuckers think I wait for transactions to take place. Chop homie from the waist, silence your screens with duct tape. Gas power tools, ass rape, clients that delay to pay on fucking payday. Taking what I say to be horseplay. Money is no damn game, quarter his head, show his brain, blood dripping from the chain. Rev the engine once again, expose the bitch and his friend, circumcise his foreskin. Start a deadly trend.
It's time to turn the chainsaw and chop these niggas to bits. Certified serial killer, label psychotic and sick. Murder's victim, make them swallow their dick. A whip back rapping with sticks. Also Jeffrey Diamond shit. Slap a motherfucker with a brick. Cut his head off in his fingertips. Leave him in the desert, ass naked with his toast in. My soldier looking at the devil while he holding, pulled the villain, holding. Turn his back, shit, I stole it. A new hill unfolded, took out with the horseman. All this anger spoiled, so unloaded. Fuck the homies, y'all don't know me. Spock Galvin with Tony Soprano. My chainsaw, that's a moment handle. From every angle, night and day, give a shot at the John Wick, Gacy, Ray Tracy, Step face. Blood splattered in my mouth, the shit was tasty. Don't try to fake it, this is how the world made me. Niggas straight, I turn out crazy.
We use them chainsaws. We cut your head off. We cut your arms off. Pull those too soft. We use them chainsaws. We cut your legs off. We cut your head off. And pull those too soft.
Hey yo, Thotty, I give me the chainsaw, cut the nigga's arms and legs off. He looks too soft, he ain't fuck with the boss. I feel them socks, and yeah, I'm mobster. I eat pasta and lobster, Perico big dog. I murder your whole roster, para que te pasa. You want beef between Boricua and Papa? I just pop you with the hot stuff. Pablo, Paco, know how we rock shows. Perico all day, all I do is sniff blow. That's how I go crazy, big time loco. I give a fuck, give me the chainsaw, cut him in pieces. Nigga give a fuck, I leave him deceased, bitch. In the street, laid down 6 feet. I love blood on the concrete, love blood on my feet. You niggas is too sweet, can't fuck with the heat. I kill niggas dog all day, nah me.
We use them chainsaws. We cut your head off. We cut your arms off. Pull those too soft. We use them chainsaws. We cut your legs off. We cut your head off. And pull those too soft. Recruited twin for some home invasions. Control the hostage situations. Kick doors down, yelling greetings and salutations. Desert wings spread new revelations. Eagles warp your good vibrations. Beg Satan to be gentle. With Italians instrumental. Ski mask is warming my mentals. Characterized with sick essentials. Mr. Simple. It's feeling complicated. Bodies getting separated. I'm highly dedicated to being a murderer, becoming famous. But still remaining nameless. One of the shameless. Kiss my own anus. Full black Angus. Buying all my meat. Serving the public as a meat. I'm guilty in the booth. Comfortably having a feast. With human flesh, tasting so sweet. After fried and chicken grease, sweet carrots and string peas on the side. With decapitated customers on my mind. Creating a panic line with my chainsaw unwinds. Innocent victims trying to hide, so I kill anyone that I find.